Can I easily package Python, PyQt GUI apps for others to use? Imagine sharing your desktop application with friends, colleagues, or clients without asking them to install Python or PyQt first. Sounds great, right? Well, the good news is that you can do this, but there are some steps involved to make it smooth and simple for users. PyQt is a set of Python bindings for the Qt framework, which helps you build desktop graphical user interface applications. When you develop a PyQt app, it runs in your Python environment, but others might not have Python or PyQt installed on their computers. To make your app easy to run, you need to package it into a standalone file or installer. The most popular tool for this task is PyInstaller. It analyzes your Python script and gathers all the necessary parts, including the Python interpreter, your code, and the PyQt libraries. It then bundles everything into a single executable file or a folder with all the files needed to run your app. This way, users can click the executable and start using your application without installing anything extra. To package your app, first finish developing and testing it in your Python environment. Then, run a command like pinstaller app, py in your command prompt or terminal. PyInstaller creates a dist folder with your executable inside. If your app uses external resources like icons, images, or Qt Designer user interface files, you need to tell PyInstaller to include those files explicitly. You can do this by editing the PyInstaller spec file or using command line options. If you used Qt Designer to create user interface files, you have two options. You can convert these UI files into Python code using the PyQt tool, which makes packaging easier because the UI code is embedded directly. Or you can include the UI files in your package and load them dynamically at runtime, but you'll need to ensure they are accessible to the executable. Testing your packaged app on a clean computer or virtual machine is very important. This helps you catch missing dependencies or resources before sharing it widely. Keep in mind that creating a single file executable can make the package larger and slightly slower to start, but it is more convenient for distribution. Packaging 4 different operating systems requires building the package on each target system or using cross-compilation tools. For Windows, macOS, and Linux, you might need to set up separate build environments. Other tools like FBS can help create installers and manage the build process more smoothly, especially for larger projects. But for most beginners, PyInstaller is the easiest and most straightforward choice. In summary, yes, you can package your PyQt applications for others to use without much hassle. Just develop your app carefully, include all resources, test thoroughly, and use tools like PyInstaller. With a little effort, you can turn your Python GUI projects into ready-to-run applications that anyone can enjoy.